She is the string attached to my guitar. When I touched her, I can hear those romantic sounds. She is the drumbeat of my heart. When I look into her eyes, I can perceive those romantic sounds. She is the grand piano of my life. Every key is a step into greatness. I can see the future with those sounds. She is the amplifier of my dreams. Every nightmare is cancelled by her romantic voice as she screams. I can dream dreams with those sounds. She is the visual content of my eyes. All I see is beyond the beauties I perceive. I can see the goodness of her heart with those sounds. She is the sound of my time, the sound that I dance to. I can dance into the future with those sounds. What a way to rejoice! For she is the genesis of romantic sounds, the sound of my time.